In order for us to confidently ship this pick and place, I need to deliver the startup procedures, scheduled maintenance manuals, and installation instructions. Supplying only CAD images and screen captures isn't good enough. This project demands crystal clear documentation to reduce risks and frustration. As the team has been designing and refining the pick and place, I've been able to work concurrently with the product development to generate all of the 2D images used to support the installation process. Now, with the extra time I've made available, I'm also going to create a digital interactive startup procedure and make sure to provide the requested online parts replacement catalog. I have just a few more images to capture in the installation manual. I'll need to make sure these critical brackets are installed properly. This is easy to detail out in SOLIDWORKS Composer. Selecting the item that I want to highlight and using a sharp, scalable vector graphic, I can start to use images to describe each process. Adding callouts and annotations is a breeze. I can add an arrow that snaps to the existing 3D geometry, a much easier process than 2D publication softwares. Composer leverages all the metadata, file structures, and dimensions. In this view, I want to include the part number. Simply create a callout and select the appropriate information. At any given point, Composer lets me update to the latest and greatest file set. As I receive notifications from PDM that Jordan has been modifying the assembly, I can simply run the Composer update to make sure my deliverables are accurate and will meet the delivery deadline. The views for each process in the installation and startup procedure have been captured, and all of the supporting content has been authored in. Now, saving these views out as a scalable graphic provides everything for the finalized documents. Utilizing these vector graphics produces the sharpest 2D documentation available for our customers, both in print and digital form. For the scheduled maintenance procedures, I decided to build a digital interactive model for the end user. Using the same process of creating views in Composer, simple hotspots and links can be generated and exported to a single file. Now the end user can open this up on any Windows machine to click through the process, and they'll have full access to the 3D model to rotate, pan, and zoom. Lastly, Brian has promised our customer that we'll provide an online replacement parts catalog. Having the ability to probe into an assembly with exploded views, interactive bombs, and links to single parts dramatically streamlines the process of identifying part numbers for repair, if a problem arises. This type of additional benefit that we supply to our customers is sure to keep them coming back for future business. SOLIDWORKS Composer makes it simple to create world-class, easy-to-read user manuals, interactive content, and websites for all sorts of customer-facing deliverables. Since I can work concurrently as the product is being developed, all of these tasks will be complete before the product is ready to ship.